We have been using Rotech since the start. We took over this facility about 5 years ago. In the start, we used to have hot foil printers, which were also provided by Rotech. We went back to Rotech because of the service is perfect. It's been very good for us. When we have a problem, they always come in, always on time. Plus, stock is they always have their stock. So if you want to find something, we can get it very easily. And then we had Richard come in, and we wanted to buy some hot foil, the foil actually. Mm-hmm. And Richard came in and he suggested the inkjet printers. He gave us a demo, which was very good, and we decided to go for. Also, he gave us a inkjet printer to trial out, which we tried for some time, and it was good. So we decided to put them on all our lines. So at the moment, we have 7 of the inkjet printers, which are running fine, no issues. We buy the cartridges from them; they always come on time. Again, no issues. I think Rotech has been very good as a business partner for us.